Because of a busy day at work and multiple tasks on your plate, you accidentally overlook the crucial step of submitting yesterday's status report. We all have busy schedules and it's easy to forget important tasks or follow up. Say goodbye to relying on separate applications for reminders and to-do lists. Slack is having its own Remind Later feature. In this episode, explore how to use Remind Later not only just to set personal reminders but also for the entire team. Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Gaurav Yadav, a passionate Salesforce architect and multi-cloud specialist. On my YouTube channel, I share valuable insights and tutorials on Salesforce and cloud technologies. Each video is carefully crafted to provide a good understanding of Salesforce and its features. If you are ready to learn about Salesforce and its offering, you are at the right place. Without further ado, let's get started. In this episode, we are going to explore the fantastic built-in features of Slack called Remind Later. Let's dive into how to set reminders for yourself, ensuring that important items are never overlooked. It's a powerful tool for staying organized and on top of your to-do list. So let's jump into your Slack workspace. You can utilize to set reminders with the multiple ways or the multiple use cases. You can set a reminder to reply to a message received in any channel or direct message by a specific person. Okay, let's see. Let me directly go to a chat. Let's say I do have received this personal message. Can you please take the interview at 5 p.m. today? So let's say I do want to set a reminder for this particular thing. So you can what you can do, you can go to the right hand side. There is a save for later feature. You can just click on here, save later. Let's say you starting your day and you got a lot of messages. This is your one-to-one message, and now I am showing you how you can prepare your to-do list effectively. This is your one-to-one message, and let's say you do have received a message in the group, in the random group. Let's say there is a meeting at 10. Again, I will save it for later that there is a meeting at 10 so that I'll not forget. And in the priority, let's say in the internal discussions, someone asked me, can you check why for the account Acme International is not featured? So today I do need to also work on this part. And let me go to the production support whether I do have received an email that I do need to look at it today. So that's how I start my day. So I mark all the things that I do need to take the actions and where it will be visible. If you go to this later section, here all your to-dos are visible. So that way you can organize your day. But again, now you can schedule it. Let's say there is a meeting at 10. You can schedule this. Okay, let me remind about this meeting. Let's say this meeting is on tomorrow, and let me remind at 10. So let me remind about at 9:50 a.m. So even you can set the reminders for yourself at which time exactly you do want to do a specific task. So that's how you can start your day. Once you're done with your something, you can just mark it as complete, that okay, I do have done the thing. So let me recap it again. If any message in the one-to-one message, if anything arrives, you do want to add it for save later. Let's say in the to-do list, you can just mark it as save for later. Even in the group as well, let's say in the general group, I do have received this interesting article that I do want to read later on, so I can just mark it as save for later. And if I come here in the later list, I can keep organizing my task, what exactly I do need to do, what exactly I don't need to do, and even I can schedule my task as well by clicking on set a reminder. So once that task is completed, let's say I do have replied to this person, I just simply mark it as completed. You see, previously it was the in progress was in the list was 6, now it is only 5, and if I jump on to the completed task, it is completed. So that's how you can organize your Slack messages, what you want to do in the day, like that. Not only that, even what you can do, you can come to your personal chat, or maybe you can come to your any chat window. You can use the / command of remind And here let's say if you want to remind about sending message to the team, you can what need to be remind about and at which time, at 5 p.m. today. So what it is going to do, it is going to set a reminder directly from here. So we have learned about how to set the reminder in any channel or to the direct messages by a specific person. You have the flexibility to create the reminders such as starting your day with the to-do list. I showed you how to prepare your to-do list and how to mark anything. You can set the reminders for the entire team channels just by let's say you want to remind everyone, let's say in general channel you want to remind everyone that there tomorrow is the birthday for John. So what I can do, remind hashtag channel name. In general channel I do want to remind everyone tomorrow, or maybe I can say just simply write John's birthday, and at which time I do want to remind, it is at 9 a.m. tomorrow, and I will just hit enter. What it is going to do, it scheduled a reminder for the whole team that tomorrow is a John's birthday, and it will remind at 9 a.m. and also in my last video I do have already also showed you, let's say at a specific time you do want to send message to the whole channel, then you can also use a scheduled message. If you want to learn more about how to schedule the messages, how to communicate effectively in the Slack, you can I would recommend you to watch that video. That's it for today. In the upcoming episodes, we will cover following exciting topics: unleashing the potential of Canvas, mastering Slack's functionalities, embracing hurdles. Stay tuned for these episodes where we will provide detailed insights and valuable tips. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next episode.